Now we've purchased this Range Rover. It's one of them cars, you know, we get lots of Range Rovers, but we know that when we buy them with this spec, with this colour combination, they just sell instantly. So this is what I'm telling you about. Santorini Black, Perlino leather inside, 23-inch gloss black wheels, sliding sunroof, gloss black grand veneer. It's got an electric tow bar. It's a HSE and it's a 350. So we've got heated and cooled seats. We've got heads-up display. We've got the shadow line exterior as well. It looks tremendous. Digital headlights at the front, but every single time we buy a Santorini Black like this, shadow line 23s, Perlino leather, sliding sunroof, it's got steps as well, mud flaps. It just sells instantly. It's the best diesel engine. 23s, massive option, split spoke in gloss black. You've got the gloss black mud flaps as well, not the plastic finish. You've got the gloss black, which just sets them off. You've got them big Atlas fence, Land Rover fixed side steps, privacy glass on the back, and then you've got electric deployable tow bar. I'll just show you. To tuck that tow bar away, we just press the button here. Press the button and then the tow bar just tucks away. Even if you're not going to use it, it's worth having. But the car also has got that beautiful gloss black grand wood inside, so I'll show you. I'll start in the rear actually. So look at this. This is the finish. And especially when the car's Perlino, which is this beautiful ivory colour leather, then you've got that gloss black, you've got rear electric seats, you've got Meridian surround, you've got illuminated seat belts as well, cabin lighting, heated and cooled seat in the front and heated and cooled seat in the back, and we've got a sliding sunroof. Soft closed doors. Now this car's a 2023 registered 72 plate, it's done just over 6,000 miles. Again, you've got your memory seats, you've got your Meridian. The seats are 20-way heated and cooled. You've got that Perlino two-tone steering wheel as well. And what I like about it, I think the Perlino for me, my two favourite interior colours are Perlino and Caraway, which is the tan colour. But I think tan's got to be with the right exterior colour. Perlino is lovely and light and fresh, but this car's got the darker roof lining, which I think if it was all Perlino, I think sometimes it can be a little bit too much. So, we've got a heated steering wheel, we've got adaptive cruise, you've got your digital cockpit, all standard. Heads-up display with the car being a HSE. You've then got your clear sight camera. I'm just going to open your internal blind. Now on a HSE, you get a glass roof as standard. You do not get a sliding sunroof like this one. So it's got sliding sunroof as well. And then I just want to show you this finish as well. So this beautiful gloss black, which is on the door cards and in the centre console against Perlino with a Santorini Black car on the outside is really, really nice. You've got full surround camera system, 3D, and you've got tow and assist with the car having the electric deployable tow bar. You've then got your wireless Apple CarPlay. You've got park assist as well. I'll just show you your seats. So I touched on it earlier. The seats are heated and cooled front. And you've got that same benefit in the rear as well. Cooled and heated. But every single Santorini Black we buy like this, with this type of spec, just comes in and just sells instantly. And that's what's going to happen. If you want to contact me direct, the number's on the bottom of the screen. Get it secured, because this car's all about the specification. It's going live on our website now. Thank you for watching.